Tune in next week for the world premiere of Outliers. In the first official episode, I sit down with Chris Sparks, one of the top 20 poker players in the world and now a high-performance coach to many of the world's best entrepreneurs and investors. In the episode, we discuss why he focuses on holistic performance rather than just productivity with his clients, why reflection is underrated and how it can help you level up both in work and in life, why many of the world's top performers work for just 4 hours per day, and how you can spot the bottlenecks that are holding you back. It's an incredible episode that's packed with big ideas and simple tools you can start applying today. To get access, simply subscribe to Outliers with Daniel Scrivner in Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Overcast, Stitcher, Castbox, Google Podcasts, or on your favorite podcast platform. And for more, join our newsletter at outliers.fm. Each week, we'll send you a single email that contains all of the best quotes, themes, and ideas from each episode in a weekly update that we call Inside the Episode. And now, enjoy this short snippet of my interview with Chris Sparks, which premieres next week on Thursday, August 27th.
Everything's a cycle of sprint and rest. Really important for that rest is consolidating lessons, recovering so that the times that we actually are operating at full leverage on the right things, we can be performing at the best. That it's much better to be operating at a 10 out of 10 for a couple hours a day. I honestly think that no one actually can do more than 4 hours of good work a day. And the rest of the day is what should I be spending those 4 hours on, and kind of cleanup, maintenance, systems improvement. There's a lot of people out there trying to work 12 hours a day at a fairly low level on fairly low leverage things that aren't actually moving the ball forward. It's kind of counterintuitive, but anytime I work with a client, I have them list out all the things that they're currently doing, and I just put a line through half of them. It's like, these are the things that you are no longer going to be doing. And it's kind of like the more wood behind fewer arrows approach. If I can only accomplish one thing today and have the day be great, what would that thing be? And you spend, I like to say the first 60 to 90 minutes of your day working on that thing. You could treat the whole rest of the day as a bonus, that the most important thing on your list is more important than everything else combined. And so items numbers 2 through 10 aren't like nice to haves, they're distractions. And most of the things we do as work are a waste of time because we don't just take a single minute to say what would move us forward the most, what's the most effective path.